talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Asphalt app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Asphalt app, or just click on search. Then here at Asphalt app, it's going to show for you here like this. You click on it, so then it's going to take you to next step. Just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage reset, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.